This session is continuation to our chapter Death of a Partner. Today, I will be explaining about how to prepare deceased partner's capital account in the event of death of any partner. Like any other capital account, it consists of two sides, debit side as well as credit side. Anything that increases the share of the deceased partner is credited and vice versa. To start with this account, first by balance drawdown. This is an opening balance. By reserves, and for reserves only his share is to be written. In the event of death, we prepare capital account of only one partner who has died or expired. So only his share out of profits would be written here. Revaluation profit, again his share. By interest on capital, formula is P stands for principal, rate upon 100, time if it is in months it will be written divided by 12, and if time is in days then denominator will be 365 or 66 days if it is a leap year. By profit and loss suspense, I have already shared death #2 entire complete video on the topic profit and loss suspense. This item will be copied here. Next is the adjustment of goodwill by gaining partners his share, the partner who has died. On the debit side, we will have items like profit and loss debit. This is a profit and loss which appears on the asset side of the balance sheet, his share. Next is accumulated losses, if any are there, that if we have any deferred revenue expenditures or old goodwill to be written off, again the dying partner's share. Two drawings if given in the question, two interest on drawings if given in the question. Principal is the amount of drawings multiplied by rate upon 100, it will be given in question, and time again if it is in months divided by 12, if it is in days divided by 365. Revaluation loss if it is there any. Sometimes profit and loss suspense can come as a negative figure also. So in the event of previous year losses, the profit and loss suspense is shown this side. Star means it can be any side, either this side or this side. Profit and loss suspense cannot come both sides. Then we have to balance the deceased partner's capital account. जब हम ये सारी items transfer कर लेते हैं, final step is we have to match, we have to tally. उसका difference either it can come this side, most of the times it is available here. Sometimes it may come on this side. This is why here star is there. This is an option, and this will be the balancing figure. Either this side, most of the times. Exceptionally, it can come this side. If in the given question, the seized partner's loan is given inside the balance sheet, it will also be transferred to the debit or credit side depending upon the position of a loan in the question's balance sheet. Now let us understand it with the help of an example. Here we have a balance sheet, three partners. This is the ratio. Balance sheet we do have, and it starts you died. So this partner has died. His share is 1/5. On 30th June, time is very important aspect in the chapter of death. Let us first of all find the number of months. Books closed on 31st March. You died on 30th June. That means April, May, June. So time is 3/12 and his year is 1/5. This is the common information. Adjustments 1 by 1 is given interest on capital, goodwill is to be calculated, P&L suspense, and then we have to prepare use capital account. Let's start. To start with the capital account, first we have to draw the format, then we have to label it. It is particulars. Next is amount in terms of rupees, again particulars, use share. Share of u is 1 by 5. This is just for our remembrance, and time is 3 upon 12. 3 by 12. First item is always the partner who died, his balance brought down. It is 1,10,000. This will be copied here by balance brought down, and this comes out to be 1,10,000. Next step, we have to find any reserves available. There is general reserve. Its value is 75,000, and we have to calculate only his share. That is 1 by 5 of 17,000 by reserves. 75,000 into 1 on 5. This will be 15,000. There is no other reserve here. Shift to the asset side. From asset side, is there any goodwill, profit and loss, deferred revenue? There is no such item available. Yes, used loan is given. So used loan will be transferred to the debit side. To used loan, which he has taken from business. Amount is 50,000. This will be copied here. Then adjustments. First adjustment is about interest on capital. Come to the working note and do the calculation by interest on capital. This is note number 1. Calculation of interest on capital. Our formula is principal multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by time divided by 12. So substitute the values. Principal will be the balance brought down. So this is 1,10,000. 1,10,000 multiplied by rate is given 10%. 10 upon 100 multiplied by time. Time is 3 upon 12. 3 upon 12. So 3 upon 12 is 4. Then further here 2 zeros eliminated from here. This will give us 11,000 divided by 4. So it is 11,000 divided by 4 is equal to, divided by 4. 4 times 2 8, 4 2 7 5 0. This will be copied here. 2,750. Next item is goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of 3 years. Second step is we have to find the value of goodwill. So goodwill is to be calculated by average profit method. Step number 1, we have to find average profit. So average profit is profit of last 3 years. Total nominal profits are given 20,000, 30,000 and 40. So this is 20,000 plus 30,000 plus 40,000 divided by 3. This is 90,000 divided by 3 is equal to 30,000. 30,000 is our average profit. Next step is it is to be for 3 years purchase, 2 years purchase. Therefore, goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by 2 years purchase. 2 years. This implies your 30 multiplied by 2 is equal to 60,000. 30,000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 60,000. Next step, we have to calculate retiring partner's share because this is goodwill of firm. His share is 1 by 5. Therefore, use share. Use share will be equal to 60,000 multiplied by 1 upon 5. This will give 12,000. Now next, this 12,000 need to be distributed S debit, it will be R's capital account debit, S capital account debit to U. So U's share is 12,000. This 12,000 will be equally distributed, 6,000 each. From here we have to transfer it to the ledger account. This will be written as by R by S. By R capital account by S capital account, 6,000 each. Make sure we do not transfer this on this hand because this is only single partner's capital account. Our this adjustment is done. Now last adjustment is his share of profits till the date of death on the basis of last year's profit. So out of this, latest year is 40,000. Third transaction is P and L suspense calculation. So for P and L suspense, we have a formula: profit that is of last year multiplied by time divided by 12 into his share. Let's substitute the values. Profit of last year is 40,000. So this is 40,000 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 3 upon 12. So 3 upon 12 is 4. This 4 and 5 is 20. This will give you 2,000. 2,000 will be copied here. Title is 5 Profit and Loss Suspense. Amount is 2,000. Once all the items are done, last step is we have to do the totaling, find the balancing figure and write it to use executor loan account. Use executor loan account. This is our balancing figure. It will be closed here. So our total comes out to be 750. One